Good day all of you. Today we are going to study the third step in the process of complete oxidation of glucose, that is electron transfer chain, electron transfer reaction, or you can say electron transfer chain. Now in this chain all the NADH2 and FADH2 which were formed during the first and second step are involved or participate in electron transfer chain. And in this chain what is happening, actually the NADH2 will get one molecule of NADH2 will get convert into 3 molecules of ATP, and one molecule of FADH2 will get converts into 2 molecules of ATP each. In this way we are getting much more ATP in this electron transfer chain, and this electron transfer chain is also taking place in mitochondria. This electron transfer chain is also taking place in this mitochondria, means the TCA cycle and electron transfer chain ETC, TCA and ETC both are taking place in mitochondria. Understood? This first is the reaction of TCA, means pyric acid into acetyl CoA and all this conversion up to fatty acid, and second, this middle one cycle is showing the electron transfer chain, how NADH2 and FADH2 are getting converts into different form into the ATP, means maximum number of ATP are generated in this last step. In first two steps there were total 6, means first 4 ATPs in first step and 2 ATP in TCA, and then number of ATPs in electron transfer chain. Now after this there is a complete oxidation of glucose by the respiration, that is by the conversion of formation of carbon dioxide and water, and along with the energy means ATP. This will be the end of the ETC cycle. Now the next topic will be that how many ATPs are generated by the complete oxidation, means aerobic oxidation of glucose. So there are total 38 molecules will be generated. ठीक है, 38 molecules are generated by complete oxidation of glucose. Now we will see how it is being generated. Means from first step, that is glycolysis. In glycolysis 2 molecule of pyric acid were there, plus 4 ATPs were produced, plus 2 NADH2 and 2 water molecule, and then again this 2 pyric acid will get converts into 2 acetyl CoA with the formation of 4 NADH2 and 4 FADH2, and then in TCA cycle this acetyl CoA will enter into a TCA cycle where you will get 2 molecule of carbon